Stop scrolling. What if I told you that a small coin you've probably overlooked in your change could be worth millions of dollars today? Yes, welcome back, coin hunters and treasure seekers. Today, the most elusive, the absolute dream pieces that could make you rich overnight. That's right. These are the rarest, most valuable UK coins that could make a serious dent in your bank account if you're lucky enough to own one. From elusive minting errors to coins with historical significance, we're exploring the top 10 UK coins that collectors are fiercely hunting for around the world. This is not just another coin video, this is a warning. A serious, dangerous warning for every single person watching right now. Because what you are about to hear could change your life. Governments are silent. Collectors are moving fast. Auction markets are on fire. And hidden inside ordinary coins are treasures worth not thousands, but millions of dollars, yes, millions. While ordinary people spend these coins without thinking, a small group is quietly collecting them, buying them, and selling them for insane amounts of money. There are even growing claims that in parts of Europe, some of these coins are being pulled out of circulation, restricted, or quietly banned. Whatever the reason, one truth is clear: these coins are becoming rarer every day, and their value is skyrocketing. Now face the reality. First up, the United Kingdom 20p coin, something people ignore daily, has reached shocking levels of value. Certain rare versions, especially those with minting errors or extremely low mintage, have reportedly reached around $22 million. Think about that, a coin you might drop on the street could be worth more than a luxury mansion. Next up then comes the 5p coin, small, light, and completely overlooked. Yet rare versions of this coin have stunned collectors, reaching values of nearly $23 million. Yes, even more than the 20p. Why? Extreme rarity, unusual minting errors, and pure collector obsession. Next up, now look at the £1 coin. Strong, common, familiar. But rare versions, especially older designs and error coins, have reached up to $7 million. And here's the dangerous part: many people still have old £1 coins sitting at home, completely unaware of their true value. Next is the 10p coin, often ignored without a second thought. But rare versions have climbed to around $13 million. These are not ordinary coins, they are rare historical pieces shaped by mistakes and scarcity. Then comes the 1 penny, the smallest coin, but no longer the least valuable. Rare UK pennies have reached around $250,000, especially those with unique years or unusual metal compositions. For a single penny, that is extraordinary. Next up, now we enter the most dangerous territory, the 1 shilling coin. This is where everything changes. Rare 1 shilling coins have reportedly reached values of $36 million. Yes, $36 million. These coins are not just currency, they are history. And when rarity meets perfect condition, collectors are willing to pay anything to own them. Next up, the 2p coin is no different. Rare examples have reached around $13 million. Once again, low awareness, high value, extreme demand. Next up then there is the 50p coin, already famous for its unique shape. But rare versions have reached around $7 million. Some designs are now nearly impossible to find. Next up, the 3p coin, a historic piece, has reached around $1.2 million. Not the highest, but still an incredible value for a single coin. And finally, the half-crown coin, a forgotten part of British currency history. Yet rare examples have reached nearly $965,000. Almost $1 million, for something most people don't even recognize. Now ask yourself, how many coins have you spent without checking? How many chances have already slipped through your hands? This is not just about money, this is about awareness. While ordinary people remain unaware, collectors are moving fast. They are searching, buying, and protecting these coins before they disappear forever. There are increasing concerns that in parts of Europe, these coins are being quietly removed from circulation. Whether due to economic strategy, metal value, or collector demand, the result is the same: less supply, higher prices. This is how scarcity works, and once these coins are gone, they are gone forever. That's why collectors always say one thing: save your coins. Check everything. Never assume it is worthless, because the truth is harsh. The difference between a worthless coin and a multi-million-dollar coin can be something very small: a year, a mint mark, or a tiny error. Miss it, and you lose everything. So before you spend your next coin, stop, look at it, study it, because somewhere in your pocket, your drawer, or your old collection, there could be a single coin that can change your entire life. And if you ignore this warning, someone else will find it first.